Now let me show you some other examples. So for row, for example, let me show you how that works. That will help you also how they understand how the column works. So I'm gonna bring one more button. So I'm just gonna do something simple. Okay, I will do a little bit button. I'll do unpressed empty function, and then I'll do a child which has a text. So let's say I'm gonna put a new button here called a forgot password. Save it. All right, so that's one button. And I'm gonna build another button. And maybe this one is something called a privacy to show the privacy policy. All right, as I'm adding more buttons, you can see the buttons automatically placed in sequence vertically one after another because they are all under this column layout. But now I want to show you how the row works. So if I do a row, okay, I'm adding it, open it. So right now, if I save it, nothing happened because the layout is not visible. It's not gonna do anything, show anything. It's here to help you to manage all the children. So if I do a children, and that automatically pop ups a list, which means you can put multiple elements, multiple children under this row. I'm gonna move these two buttons under the children, and then let me save the code, and you will see immediately these two are being placed horizontally. All right. And if you want to try, I want to add one more. Let's see what happened. I do one more. This one is maybe contact. Save the button, and they are all horizontally placed because they're all under this row. Okay. If I change the row back to column, all right, and then that became back to column vertical. Okay. That's how layout works. Column rows, one is to place everything, vertically, one is to place everything horizontally. And those are the most important ways to configure the layout. And for rows, you can also do something called a main axis alignment. Same thing. If I do center, everything will be placed center. If I do end, everything will go to the right, and then start go to the left. Okay. Depending on your orientation, right? So I'm going to do a center. That's how you use row as another way to specify the layout.